Sometimes in our life, we try to hold off the past, that it doesn't exist in the present, and we try to know how we can maneuver and become the kind of person we intended to be. As I was walking along the street, I was trying to think harder to know where I belong. Am I the lucky person, or am I the chosen person? That I really need to change my condition. I really need to be who I want to be in this life. Then I find a good spot where I can sit and think a little bit about myself, about my future. How is it going to be? Where am I going to start my journey? What can I learn in order to me to be great in this life? What are other soft skills that I can acquire in this loneliness of my life in this village? I was still trying to know and to figure out what I can be able to do. In me trying to find out what to do in this village where I stay, I have to change my environment, because my environment really affects not only me, many other people around the society, be it in Nigeria or wherever you come from. Then I have to change my position to keep on moving. And I was working on my lonely life, trying to know how can I be able to handle these matters and issue of life that I belong. Then I come across a beautiful house close to me while working on my right hand side. As you can see, my hand on my head, trying to figure out how can I be able to make it in this life, because I'm thinking many people have gone ahead of me, but the race of destiny is never to be competed with people. You have to run your own race alone. Look at this beautiful house. I was wondering, when is my own turn going to be? Oh Lord Jesus, help me. Oh Lord Jesus, help me to overcome the obstacles of this life.